friends, welcome back to Lakshmi's Beauty Corner. Today is a bullet journaling video. Yep, friends, I am actually starting today. I have never tried bullet journaling before, so this is my first time doing it, and I want to show you how you, friends, can turn a normal rough note into your own bullet journal. And this notebook just costed me only 28 rupees, and the supplies you can use can be very simple, from using just one pen and a pencil to using more than different color pencils, sketches, and watercolors, paints, etc. So I'll be showing you how to make your own DIY bullet journal from a normal notebook, friends. So, I hope you like this video. So, let's get going. First thing is right here. They have an index right here, as you can see. Both indexes right here and here. And before that, friends, we'll get starting. But I want you to subscribe and click that notification bell and also that like button in 5 seconds with your thumb finger. Let's do it, friends. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's get going. So the first design I have right here, so friends, today, as you know, is the starting month of July. So I wrote it as 2020, and I also be starting from July only because I have never tried it, right? So first, in the first page, I have wrote it as this bullet journal belongs to, your name. For example, my name, I'll be writing it in different styles of hand lettering and calligraphy. So I'll show you this once I finish this, and you can just use a sketch, as you can see, or you can use brush pens or watercolor or whatever is your choice, color pencils too, friends. So I'll show you how this works. So let's do it. And so, friends, I wanted to add a little bit of extra touch to it. So what I'm going to do is I wanted to pop out, okay? So what I have here is, and you can make this easy too. You just have to take 2 strips of paper. As you can see, I have folded them like this. What I'll do now is I'm going to be sticking this. And friends, I just wanted to say that when I'm using coloring it, I used waste paper so that the ink wouldn't transfer on the other side of the paper. So that's a really good hack to try. And so now I will be sticking these two right there. So let's stick it, friends. And so, friends, as you can see, I have stuck them, and now it's time to stick it on the ear, as we want it to be fluffy. So let's stick it. And friends, so now it is more popping, as you can see. So it has a good touch to it. So what I wrote is, this bullet journal belongs to Lakshmi Priya, which is me. And I'll be writing my age and what my name means. So I'll be writing that down. We'll write it later. So this is the front page. So next, let's go. And now we'll be writing the key information part of it, as you would say, because I will be writing the key, which means I'll be writing those. If I'll be having small symbols, I'll be writing what those small symbols mean. So I did want to write the index, but as you see, this rough note already has index, so I'm not going to be writing it. So that's a plus point for us. So let's write the index right here. I will write it on another piece of paper, as you can see, and I'll be sticking it here, and it's going to be super duper colorful. You can also even use sticky notes for doing that. And so let's start it, friends. So friends, for writing that key, and I want it to be colorful, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using that watercolor effect, that scattered effect. So what I'll be using is my brush pens. So I think you guys actually know this, but still I want to make it more colorful. So what I'm going to be doing is I'll be layering these. So then I'll be doing it. So I'll take this plastic sheet. You can take any plastic sheet you have. So what I'm going to be doing is I'll take this side. So friends, I wanted to try a different pattern. So I'm going by rainbow order. So let's see how this goes. So I'll spray some water and I'll pat it on my paper. Let's see how it goes. And friends, tada! I have this beautiful piece of paper right here. And what I'm going to be doing is, see, I think maybe we should do some squiggly lines. So let's see how that goes. So friends, since I cut those edges wavy and all, I want to have the outline of a gummy bear. So I'll draw this and I'll show you friends. So let's go. And so friends, I have it right here. I did a little bit here, more darkened it because I wanted to turn that page right now. And so this is my key and I'll be writing the information right here. As you can see, this pops out. Cute, right? So let's stick it right here. And friends, as you see, this is my key. And friends, now I want this page to be the quotes page, right? So I'll write a quote or two right here, or more, many. So I'll be writing it as quote. So I'll show you that. So friends, this is the quotes page right here. And next we have here is actually going to be the glance calendar right here. So let's do that too. And friends, tada! I did it. As you can see, I did start from July because I just started doing bullet journaling July. So I wanted to start with July, then August, September, October, November, December. And I just wanted to say, guys, please look at that cute calligraphy. Like so cute. So the next page actually is going to be the month which I'm going to be doing. So the idea I have for this is, and so now as you saw, we already did the beginning page which says this bullet journal belongs to myself. And as you see, now I'm going to be writing my age and what my name means. So friends, let's get writing. So as you can see, I have wrote my age on it. And now I'll write my name's meaning.
So my name's meaning is a goddess, a goddess who brings wealth, money and fortune. And the next thing I am going to be writing is my zodiac sign. So I'll be writing that down too. Let's just finish this. And friends, now
Also, I'm telling you don't need so much supplies to start a bullet journal. You just can have it very simple with a pen and a pencil, to going extra crazy with like washi tapes, like colorful tapes, hollow tapes. Then what else? You can have brush markers. Then you can have different kinds of mediums on those. There's so many options out there, and it can still be very simple. So don't worry, because it's for you. It's for you to be Personally, it's kind of like a planner, but you don't need to have one for this, one for that. It's just in all in one thing. So that's what. So next thing we are going to be writing is the zodiac sign, as I said earlier. Zodiac sign. My zodiac sign is Scorpio.
So friends, now that I've wrote my age, my name's meaning and my zodiac sign, what I'm going to be doing is I will be highlighting each of them. It's just from my idea. So I'll go with green at the last. It's not necessary to use like highlighters or super duper colors. It's just your own idea. It's personal to you. So no problem, right? So now for the name's meaning, I also did that, right? And as you can see, I will do this age too. And now let's move on to the next page.
So friends, moving on to the next page right here, which is our key. And as you can see, I have lightly sketched out the picture of a key. So let's just darken it a little bit. And I'm super duper sorry for my hair. It's too curly. So as you can see, you can have this key to be very magical to you or very simple to you or whatever your idea is. So this is actually the first thing that I'm doing, right? So I wanted to write it as success. So this is the key that I wrote. Let me show you guys. So as you can see, this is the to-do list. This is half complete. This is important. These are notes. This is the due date, which I've written as, I wrote it out as a little clock timer. The next thing is the reminder. Then it's E for exam, and this is like a bulb, right? And that's for a great idea, and this is for book. So that's it for this. You can even write quotes if you want in this page too. Now going to the quotes page. Let us add little cute little details to it. What about some leaf? Since I wanted to add a leaf, let's go on it. So this is the actual time that I'm spending on this. And since I'm new to this, I have looked up inspiration on the internet, and you can also have this. No problem with that, or just do your own idea. So these are my quotes page for July, and I'll have each quotes page for each month, right? And some people have quotes page for just a year. So this is the at a glance calendar, right? 2020 in the months. So I have July, August, September, October, November, and December. And now friends, I told you, right? I just follow the tutorial by Doodles by Sarah, July calendar 2020. And I just added these little shadows because they look cute, right? That's why. And I have basically drawn the outline of it. And now I still have a little kitty to finish up. So let me do that. That's this kitty right here. And now let me add all those cute eyes and detail and that all.